landing.
We're doing a video.
Yeah, where are we?
In the airport.
Yeah, where are we headed?
To Florida for a cruise in Starbucks in a minute.
Yeah. So, day one, we're flying to Orlando, and we're going to be there for the night, and then we board the Royal Caribbean ship tomorrow. So this is our first non-Vegas trip together. So it'll be interesting. We'll take you with us. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we just landed. Your phone, you got it? You good? Welcome to Mickey Land. Baggage claim, right? Okay, okay. Interesting. Terminals and baggage claim. Oh, we got a nice shuttle, Brandon. Come on. Next one. On our way to baggage. Interesting. Brandon, we gotta go downstairs. Alright, we are in, where are we? Townplace Suites? Townplace Suites, room 425. We just checked in. We just got in. So we're going to take you through a quick tour of everything. Again, this is came in the night before the cruise. We saw some reviews on this and we thought we'll give it a try. The reason we got it, and we'll show, is you do have a full kitchen. You do have a fridge.
Nice big fridge.
Nice big fridge. You do have place settings, ice maker, dishwasher, if you're gonna be here. It's like a cooktop, coffee maker.
It's a toaster.
Yep, right here.
Bowls.
Right, and you got ironing board, everything in here. Some storage. Bed, what, a king size bed. TV off the main room. And the reason why we booked it is because we had a balcony. You had to pay a little extra for the balcony, but it's, I mean, you get a view of the ocean. It does have a pool. which that's beneficial. But overall, this comes with a optional. We paid $25 per person for the express. Takes you from the airport, which is about a 45-minute ride to here. So we're gonna see what's going on. It doesn't include breakfast, right, Brandy? Okay. All right, we're gonna go see what trouble we can get into. We'll keep you posted. All right, good evening. It is 7 o'clock on Saturday. Coming to you from Cocoa Beach, Florida. Basically, day one's a wrap. Pretty chaotic travel. Left Metro Detroit about 1:30, 2-hour flight into Orlando. We were flying Southwest Airlines. We landed about 3:30. By the time we got our bags, it was 5 o'clock. It was an hour and a half for baggage. We then took the Cocoa Beach Express. It's about a 45-minute ride to the hotel. We are staying at the Townhouse Suites. I did take a short room tour video of it. It's about a 2-minute ride tomorrow to the port. Yeah, to 90 degrees today. Tomorrow we get on the cruise ship, and we did a group cabin exchange, and we're going to pack the bags tonight. I will probably put a video out, shows how we did it, and then we'll be up and early and ready to go to the ship. All right, so part of our gift exchange, Brandy, how many people were 30 people?
Yeah.
So 30 people were split into groups of 10, and this is the stuff that we're putting in them. People always ask, what do you put? Got some bottle openers, some pens, cooling towels, lip balm, sleeping masks. We got some tattoos, koozies, towel wraps, waterproof case, some lanyards. We're gonna throw some ducks in there. We got our own Greetings from Detroit postcard. So we just have to make gift bags of
And the kids
9.
in the grocery bags. So those were separated.
Yeah, and we had some stickers and stuff like that too. So yeah, so what it is groups of 10, and you have all week to distribute them. We do have the room numbers for everybody, so it's kind of cool. And we'll kind of keep you posted too. We're gonna hopefully wake up and have a surprise outside our door, because we're gonna get 9 gifts from people. And again, you don't know where they're from or anything like that, so we'll keep you posted.